Good morning, class. So this week we've been working on addition. And so I found this new tool I wanted to teach you all that we could use to practice some of our new skills. So you'll start on my teacher website, and I want you to go to the Screencast Assignment tab. And then you'll open this assignment link up. It's called Math Games. And we'll give it a minute to load. And then I want you to go to Skills. And underneath Skills, you're going to see a lot of different options. You could practice different things in here. There's a lot of great opportunity if you are having issues with some of the math problems that we've been working on. You can go in here and find different opportunities to practice. But specifically today, I want us to go into the Addition tab. And under the Addition tab, you're going to scroll down. There's different grade levels. We'll go to our kindergarten grade level. And I want you to go to Choose Addition Pictures up to 10. So we're going to click on this one right here. And then we're going to click Start. You may have an ad come up, and that's okay. You just need to wait patiently for that ad to finish. And it'll clear out in just a minute. There might even be a cool ad. This one seems pretty cool. All right, so this should be what you're seeing. So we should see two different pictures, and then we should also see this text above. This one says, which picture shows 2 plus 3 equals 5? So what we need to do is we need to go to our little scratch pad up here, and it'll let us doodle over all the things. So let's start here with this picture. We have 3 apples that are orange. So we're going to go 3. And then we know we're doing addition, so we're just going to add a little plus here. And we have 3 apples that are red. Now that doesn't match our text, which the question is, which picture shows 2 plus 3 plus equals 5? So let's go to this next one. And this next one, we know that we have 3 orange apples, right? 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 orange apples and 1, 2 red apples. So we know this one is 2 plus 3, and we know it equals 5, right? Should we count that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we think that picture number 2 is the correct answer because we know it matches this. So we can go ahead up here to this big red button and close the scratch pad. Remember that we know this answer is the one that we think is correct. So we're going to go ahead and click on it, and we got it right. So then it's going to move you on to your next question. I do want you to go through and finish all of the 10 questions and get some practice in. If you're having any other problems, feel free to reach out to me and ask me some questions. You can also see down here there's different levels. So if you finish these 10 questions and want to work on a harder level, you can move on to that second level. Perfect. Let's go through this one as well together and just get one more practice in before I let you guys go off and do it on your own. So again, we're going to go up to our scratch pad right here, and we're going to open it, and we know we want 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we could do this a couple different ways. We could count all the apples, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this picture equals what we want it to equal, but does it say what we want it to say? So we'll come back to that. We know this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there's too many apples in this picture, so it's probably safe to assume this isn't the answer that we want because there's too many apples. It is more than what our equation is asking us for. So we can kind of cross this out. Now let's go back and just confirm that this one says what we want it to say. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 red apples plus the 1 orange apple. So this matches our text. So once again, we're going to go up here. We're going to close our scratch pad, and we're just going to click on this button right here. And awesome, we got it right. So I do want you guys to continue to work through these questions. If you have any questions that come up, or if you need help, just raise your hand. Thanks.